Yo, what's in the box?
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to part 3 of the Whatnot unboxing. So, this one is from a place called Buymore on Whatnot. So, let's get this bad boy open. And I can't remember what this one was. I think this was also, I think it was 3 pulls for like $10, I think it was. I won't know until I see the comics. Whew. They ain't make this bad boy easy though. Alright. Ooh, okay, there we go. Alright, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm not sure what it was. Hold up. I got an invoice or a packing slip. Let me see what it was. Alright, this was for... Oh yeah, it was for 3. Okay, that's what it was. And an instant slab pull. Live stream mystery bag of awesomeness with Dawn plus 3 instant slabs. Live stream, blah blah blah. Mystery bag, awesomeness. Alright, so it's a mystery pull, mystery bag, but I can't know how many I got, so let's see. God, they take the bad boy up to the tape all over the place. Okay. Alright, here we go. So let's count this one more time. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I think it was 3 books, and then I got another pick. That's what a free pick. I believe that's what it was. So let's get this bad boy open and let's see what we got. Alright, first book was Avengers 356. Oh wait, actually it says first appearance of Rage. Oh, cool. I like Rage. That's the big guy with luchador mask, and he put like 13, but in a grown man's body. All right, so that's a keeper, which I'll be keeping. And then I have Batman 483, introducing Crash and Burn. Crash and Burn. All right, don't know who those two are, because I haven't heard from them ever again. So I don't have that many books from this era, so I'll probably keep this also. And then we have Incredible Hulk 407, introducing Piecemeal. Okay. I'll probably donate this one also. Let's see what. Ooh, okay. Then we got some old school books right here. This is The Spectacular Spider-Man 180. Nice. I am an old school Spider-Man. Like around this time period and maybe a little bit older, but I'm not into the 2000s and anything over that. I just don't like how they look all of a sudden, you know. 90s on down are my favorite Spider-Man books. It's just something about the artwork back in the day. Just the art of it that looked nice. So I'm probably keeping this. And then I have Web of Spider-Man 37. Oh, that's a nice cover though. I felt like a little indent right there in the cover, but it's okay. So yeah, this is a nice cover. Covered by Milgram. Cool. Like I said, this is what, 88. Those covers back then, no comic books. I love Spider-Man back in those days. And then we have Countdown #1. Well, Infinite Countdown #1. And, you know, I didn't read this storyline when it came out, so I probably donated to the kids also. Don't even know what the story's about, but like I said, the book looked nice. Not that much flaws to it, so, you know, donate it. And then we have House of Slaughter #6. Wait, hold up. Is it polybag? No, I don't think it's polybag. I think it took a polybag. Nope, it is polybag. Ooh. Polybag variant. So I'm gonna have to open this bad boy up. Yeah, I'm gonna open them up just to see what the cover look like. But that is my books, and these were from, who is this from again? This was from Buymore Comics. Yeah, Buymore Comics. So yeah, so those are the books. And out the all the books I'm keeping, I'm only keeping 5 out the 7. Alright, so yeah. Until next time, peace out.